Welcome to our comprehensive guide on elevating the air quality in your bedroom through the power of plants. A serene environment with clean air is paramount for restful nights and overall health. Don't hesitate to share this enlightening video with others who could also reap its benefits. Plants serve as nature's own air purifiers, enriching the atmosphere with freshness and vitality. Join us as we uncover the top 5 plants perfectly suited to enhance your bedroom ambiance. Lavender. This fragrant plant is known for its soothing aroma, which helps alleviate stress and enhance sleep quality. Additionally, lavender contributes to purifying the air from bacteria and mold. Spathiphyllum. Also known as peace lily, this plant possesses excellent adaptability and can cleanse the air from harmful substances such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, commonly found in enclosed spaces. Aloe vera. Besides being an excellent medicinal plant for the skin and digestive system, aloe vera also has the ability to filter the air and remove harmful substances such as formaldehyde and benzene. Ficus. Various species of ficus, such as Ficus benjamina, are highly effective in purifying the air from formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. Additionally, ficus serves as a great decorative element for the bedroom. Areca palm. This plant releases a large amount of oxygen and has the ability to purify the air from formaldehyde and xylene. Taking care of these plants is quite simple. They require light, moderate watering, and occasional fertilization. Placing these plants in the bedroom can not only improve air quality, but also add a pleasant touch to the space, creating a serene atmosphere conducive to healthy and restful sleep. As we conclude, remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. And if you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.